I have used 3 different hot stamping machines so far. The first one was called Kingsley. The model number was M50. It's very old, like at least 30, 40 years, even 50 years out there. You can find them on eBay. It does its job very well, and it's cheaper compared to my other 2 machines I bought. I would recommend this Kingsley M50 for those who are doing leathercraft for hobby or even for professional as well. The things that I don't like about it is that it takes about at least 10 to 15 minutes until it heats up to use. And the size of the type holder is very small. Since I'm doing leathercraft for living, I changed the machine to the one called Howard Model 45. It is, I think, the professional level of machine. It has a very big type holder and the machine heats up very fast compared to the Kingsley M50. It only took like 5 to 7 minutes to ready to use. I had no problem at all with this Howard 45, but I found a new hot stamping machine that also can be used as a clicker press. The machine was released a few months ago, made in South Korea and sells internationally. It is called Dream Factory Hot Stamping Machine. I was a little doubted that if it can really do its job as a clicker press. I decided to buy it. I waited about 1 month to get it, and I've been using it for 2 months so far, and I think it was a good decision to buy this one. The Dream Factory press used the same type holder as Howard 45, which means it is also a very big type holder. This is called guide bar. It helps you to engrave on the right place you want. When the machine is on, the head becomes very hot, so I had to be careful to not get burned while I'm placing my leather on it. However, this can rotate its head like this. I don't need to afraid to get burned anymore. This is such an awesome thing to have. Now let me show you the clicker press. This part goes to where the type holder was placed. And change its press level by using this knob controller on the top. This board came together when I bought the machine. It's ready to use now. This is the biggest die I have. The machine can cut through so easy. Don't even need to mention about small size dies. If you are interested, you can see it on their website. I will leave a link on the description below. I'm not sponsored by this company, I just love the machine. Thank you for watching my video.